Hi, today on Caloti, I'll show you how stylists set up their services, portfolio, and public.
Start in services and add one with clear pricing and duration. Add portfolio photos to show your work. Preview your public Caloti profile. Now you're set up and ready to take bookings.
Your services and portfolio are ready for clients to see. First impressions matter self, and Caloti makes your